Hi guys, welcome to this video by Optionables. My team and I, we have tried to create a parody on different types of traders in the market. So hope you guys enjoy this video and you have a lot of fun. The first character we have is beginner Balaji. So he is a beginner to the market and he has absolutely no idea about position sizing and risk management. So let's see his experiences.
This is my first trading day. Let me double my money today. Yeah, bro. Yesterday also profit. Today also profit. If I bear this market because of this bull, I'll become a bull. If we continue to make profits like this, my next competition is Ambani.
A few moments later.
छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना जग सुना सुना लागे जग सुना सुना लागे कोई रहे ना जब.
What we get to learn from beginner Balaji is having right position sizing and risk management is extremely important in the market. So without which you might not sustain in the market for long. So next up we have News Natraja. So News Natraja is a character who tries to react to every news which comes out in the market. So let's see his experiences.
That's some hot bullish news. I'll buy some. This newspaper says bearish news. I'll sell.
What's the news from North?
What? Tax rate katta. I'll buy Veda.
What's the news from East?
What? China attacks India. Wait, I'll sell the stocks.
What's the news from West?
What? Rakesh Chunchunwala about Titan stocks. I'll also buy it.
What's the news from South?
What? Floods are very critical situation, macha. Yeah. No. Hey, no.
Welcome to Bulbul News for full news. Breaking news. Warren Buffett investing in Reliance? The investors want to know.
Investors already know. I'm buying Reliance. Bro, I just brought Reliance shares, bro. Saw the news,
Bro, that news is full fake, bro.
Fake?
ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए हाँ लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत.
So that's News Natraja, guys. So what we get to learn from this is that you don't have to react to each and every news in the market. So most of the news which comes out will already be discounted in the market and market might end up reacting in a completely different way. So this is what we get to learn from News Natraja. And the third character we have is Technical Tulsi. So Technical Tulsi is a beginner who tries to learn technical analysis and different indicators and tries to apply it in everyday market scenario, and we will see what happens to her.
It's lockdown right now and there's so much time. Let's make some money. After studying so much, technicality is the best way to go ahead. I will do technical analysis from now on to trade.
Here is the support, here is the resistance. If it breaks, I will sell. Oh, market broke the support. I'm selling. Oh shit, the market is bouncing back again. I think I should study more and I'll close up all of these positions for today.
Today I have learned support, resistance, MACD and RSI. I'm going to make profits today.
Yo, today also loss. I think I should study more indicators. Today I have done MACD, RSI, support, resistance, Bollinger Band, trend line, alligator, super trend. Definitely I'm going to make profits today. MACD is telling me to buy it, but RSI is like it's falling down. Support and resistance are not fine. What to do? Bollinger Band is saying, okay, I will buy it at 11,365 and I'll sell it at 11,855.
A few moments later.
Oh no, again it fell.
So what we get to learn from Technical Tool C is more than using different technical indicators. It is very important to have consistency in strategies. So if you try out one different thing every day, you might not really be profitable. But it is really important, a well-defined system with proper entry, exit and risk management. And finally, we have the fourth character, which is Dilemma Danny. So here, Dilemma Danny is a person who always has a confusion whether to buy or sell. Let's see what are the difficulties he faces in the market.
Heads means buy, tails means sell. Ayyo! Should I buy? Should I sell? Should I buy? Should I sell? Ah! Hey! Should I buy? Should I sell? No, I can't even give this to Babe. Hey Balu, beginner Balu, what's up, bro?
Hey, shut up. What do you want? What happened? Why did you?
Bro, I'm in one big dilemma if I have to buy this or sell this.
Hey, which one? Arcom? Don't worry, we'll play one game. I'll give you one solution. Beginner's luck will always work.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, pakka. We'll play rock, paper, scissors. I'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
Okay. If I win, you buy. If you win, you buy. Got it?
Huh?
Hey, it's easy. We'll play. I'll tell you. You buy 1,000 quantity of Arcom. You will make money.
Pakka, no.
Pakka, sure.
This beginner's luck and all is okay. But I want a solid solution to this. Let me call Babe. Hey, what's up, Babe? Babe, listen. I'm in one dilemma.
Wait, are you breaking up with me?
No, I'm not breaking up with you. I don't know if I should pull out.
Huh?
From the stock market, babe.
Oh.
Wait till I complete. No.
Oh, that's the problem. Then just go for the optionals workshop.
Yes, sir. Damn, that's crazy. I'll check it out. Thanks, babe.
As you saw, Dilemma Danny was really confused because he didn't have proper knowledge about the market. And it is really important for you to know properly about the market before actually entering it. So for that reason, do follow Optionables. And if you're liking the content, please do hit the like button and share this video with your friends also. Thank you so much for joining.